¿Qué tal, amigos de Sensey TV? Me da mucho gusto saludarlos nuevamente en las instalaciones de la Soundcheck Expo 2014. En esta ocasión se encuentra con nosotros Simon Rains, ingeniero de PAUDIO en Tailandia. Hi Simon, how are you?
I'm very fine, thank you. Thanks for having me at Sensey TV.
You're welcome. Él nos va a platicar acerca de toda la nueva línea de Bafles de PAUDIO, que por cierto está ya disponible en nuestro catálogo. ¿Te parece, Simon, si comenzamos?
Let's go. Let's have a look.
Adelante.
Okay, PAUDIO is introducing 5 new cabinet series here at Soundcheck Expo in Mexico. The first of these series is this one right here. It's called Compact Series. This we've updated from our previous Compact Series with a few new changes. The first is a full-face front grille. It makes it much cleaner in an install environment. The second is an upgraded vocal intelligibility in all of these models. We have 4 models in this series: 4-inch, 5-inch, 6-inch and 8-inch. And all of these models are available in black and white color, so it's very easy for fixed installation. When we ship these, they all have an included external U-bracket, so it's very easy again to install. When in use, all of the models have an internal transformer, so they can be switched from 8-ohm operation or high impedance operation. So they can be used with 100 volt line or 70.7 volt line. So these models are at a very competitive price point and perfect for any installation projects. A step up from the PAUDIO XE series is this XT series right here. In this series there's 5 models again. We have 8-inch two-way, 10-inch two-way, 12-inch two-way, 15-inch two-way and a 15-inch active subwoofer. These models are great for general purpose fixed installation and also live portable applications. The cabinet construction is a very durable plywood with polyurea finish. So this is great and very, very rarely gets damaged. The grille on these is a very durable steel grille. So again, you can be sure that these are going to last. In these 2 models in particular, the 12 and 15-inch, we have PAUDIO's latest generation of compression drivers. This uses our ART technology, so it has anti-resonance technology. We managed to close off the gap inside the compression driver, which leads to less resonances and a very, very high level of output response. At the top of PAUDIO's cabinet range, we have the CXP series. This is a range of wooden cabinets. We have 2 passive models, 2 coaxial active models, and 1 active subwoofer. In this passive model, it's a 2-way cabinet, which is very, very high power handling. The woofer has a 4-inch voice coil and is capable of 800 watts RMS power handling. The cone paper in this is very interesting. We've used a very, very high damping cone paper, so it gives a very clear vocal intelligibility. The high frequency for this is a 3-inch high frequency from PAUDIO, and it's been used in many, many of our products with great reliability. Within the coaxial speakers, there's an integrated 1000 watt power amp and a coaxially mounted high frequency driver. This means the time domain response is very, very clear and the phase between them is very well matched. Again, we have in this series a 15-inch passive, 12-inch passive, 12-inch coaxial active, 15 active coaxial and a 21-inch sub. The 21-inch sub has a 2000 watt power amplifier and it's a very, very high output cabinet. Again, it's plywood construction with polyurea paint and it's very, very suitable for very low output sub bass and very useful for dance clubs and other fixed installation, but also high output outdoor concerts or even small indoor pubs. All of these cabinets have integrated M10 rigging points, so perfect for fixed installation and portable applications.
Eso ha sido todo por hoy. Yo me despido de ustedes. Espero que la información que trajimos sea de utilidad. Simon, ¿algo más que desees agregar?
I'd like to say thank you to everyone at Sensey Electronics and Soundcheck Expo for having us here in Mexico City.
Al contrario, el placer fue todo nuestro. Les recuerdo que si quieren encontrar más información sobre PAUDIO pueden entrar a su página web, que aparecerá en estos instantes bajo la pantalla. Yo me despido nuevamente de ustedes. Les recuerdo que pueden enviarnos todas sus sugerencias y comentarios a nuestra página, así como buscarnos en Facebook y darle like. Nos vemos la semana que viene aquí en Sensey TV.